Hey guys, today we're going to do a little get ready with me using some new products from Maybelline. Sit down and get comfy, let's do our makeup together. I'm going to start off using the new lifter sticks from Maybelline. It comes in a base, highlight, and contour. I'm going to go in with the base first. Everything obviously will be linked down below, and I also uploaded a short. If you guys want to check that, that's just like a little more of a review slash first impressions. But I like these lifter products so far. I've been getting a lot of filming done this week because I'm home because I broke my toe, broke my first bone ever at 30 years old, and of course I can't just sit around and do absolutely nothing. I've been filming, but these products blend like a dream. I love how they cover the redness just so effortless, and a little goes such a long way. But if you guys are wondering how I broke my toe, when I went to urgent care, the girl was like, "Oh, did you just stub it on your bed?" And I was like, "No, even worse than stubbing it on my bed. I had a garbage bag. It's now in my closet. It's still here, and my toe basically got caught to the bag, and I went towards my door and my toe went like back where my books are. That was fun. I was getting up to film a video for Medicube, so immediately after breaking my toe I filmed a video, which I'll link down below if you guys want to watch it, show it some love. But yeah, I sat down and filmed a video, and I feel like you can kind of see some pain in my face. And then immediately after filming the video, I go downstairs to my mom and I'm like, "I think I broke my toe." And she's like, "What?" And I'm showing it to her. Let's just say this is your foot. Yeah, this is what my toe was looking like. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with bronzer. I'm just gonna do like a little 3 type deal. I went to urgent care the next day because it was like 8:30 at night and I wasn't going to urgent care at 8:30 at night, and I went to work the next day and it was kind of painful. I'm on my feet all day at work. Then I went to urgent care like right after work and I got x-rays. So to keep myself busy, thank God for Peacock and Housewives. Like, thank God there's so many franchises. I started season 2, or well, I started Housewives of New York. New York is one that I would just watch like reruns of on Bravo. So we're on season 2 of that already, and I've been coloring a lot. And God for Coco Wyo coloring books. Been coloring, and I also got myself new markers because I was ordering medicine my cousin told me to take for the pain. I got my wisdom teeth pulled. I got put to sleep for my wisdom teeth pulled, but they obviously prescribed pain medication, and I did not take said pain medication for that, and I barely felt any pain. The bruising is what hurts the most because the whole top of my foot is bruised. But anyways, I ordered myself markers because I was anticipating going to work this week and just taking it easy this weekend, so I was going to color this weekend, and yeah, that didn't really happen. I was in so much pain. Coloring a lot, watching Housewives, and been reading a lot too since I've been home. I read Do You Know Kitty Carr? That was kind of like 7 Husbands of Evelyn Hugo, if you guys have read that. And I finished that yesterday, and yesterday I started Love Mom, which is a really quick thriller. I'm almost done with it. Probably gonna finish it today. Really good. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the highlight stick. I'm just gonna apply this like where I would put concealer. By the time you guys are seeing this video, I will probably be, I'm gonna say 80% healed according to Dr. Google, because that's where I'm getting most of my information from. It takes like 4 to 6 weeks for a broken toe to heal, and I'm already on week 1. I've pretty much just been home talking to myself or just no one, and I've just been trying to like find any activity to kill the time. Been watching a lot of TikTok too, which is why I like want to color and stuff, so I'm not just on my phone, because I don't even want to know what that screen time is looking like. The base is done. I think these 3 products are just so pretty. I'm going to be using these all summer because they're very lightweight and hydrating on the skin. For brows, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Fluff. I have been using this non-stop since I received it. I love how my brows look with this. It's just so easy to use. I'm 100% repurchasing this. I went to my cousin's wedding and I used this. My brows looked so good all day. There was no fleeking. Your brows don't get crunchy feeling. I really like it. I'm gonna let this little hiccup dry. For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Firework Mascara. This is the waterproof one. So I will wear this mascara on like my no makeup days because I will constantly rub my eyeballs, and I just like to put mascara on because it kind of like tricks me into not rubbing my eyeballs. And waterproof just holds the best. Like, this is 1 coat done, and then this one has nothing. It just looks so good. And I'm just gonna do another coat, and I'm just doing 2 coats of this mascara, and this is a mascara with 2 coats and 1 coat, and I also just lightly recurled this side. All right, let's clean up the brow. Like, look at how easy that was to clean up. Okay, so Selena, makeup artist on TikTok, shared a lip combo using the Teddy Tints from Maybelline, but these are not the exact numbers that she used, but I'm gonna try it anyways and see how it looks. And if I can find the numbers that she also used, I think I might order them because the lip combo is really pretty. I'm gonna line my lips with mascara tear. This is a really pretty brown. This just as a lip liner. If you wanted to put a gloss over it, it would be really, really pretty. I'm going to lightly go in with the shade Wild at Heart and kind of just lightly fill in where I did not line. I'm going to use my finger to kind of blot and blend everything out. So I'm going to put this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is the plump one in the shade Blush Blaze on top. This saved the lip combo. And this is the completed makeup look. Very natural, very no makeup look. Thanks for doing your makeup with me. I hope you guys had fun. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!